Hi, my name is Jenna Parker. I'm a software application specialist here at RedBeam, and today I'm going to be walking you through an introduction about RedBeam. I'm going to go through why RedBeam, as well as a technical overview about RedBeam, and talking about the next videos in this series, and then I'll also show you an introduction of the full view versus the mobile view of RedBeam. For more information, please look at our knowledge base on our website. RedBeam is an alternative to messy spreadsheets, hosting all of your data in one centralized location, and it's accessible from anywhere. And I'll get more into that as well with us being a software as a service and a web-based application. Infrastructurally, everything data-wise is stored in Google Cloud with RedBeam. There is no installation required. You can log in from any device that has internet connection, be it a mobile computer barcode scanner, a smartphone, a tablet, a desktop, or a laptop. You're good to go with RedBeam. RedBeam does have the capability of working offline, so if you have issues with internet or your internet goes out, we also account for that as well. RedBeam is very safe, being that it's stored in the cloud. We are SOC 2 Type 2 compliant. Every single year we go through a third-party auditor that does penetration testing and does security auditing on our organization as a whole. RedBeam has multi-tenancy and unlimited scalability and the ability to integrate with other software using our REST APIs. RedBeam has everything from printing labels to scanning labels to tracking your assets with those labels, whether they be regular 1D barcodes, 2D barcodes like QR codes, or RFID tags. With RedBeam, you can take a physical inventory of all of your assets annually or semi-annually or whenever you really need to, going from building to building and room to room and scanning everything around you to mark it as found, so that by the end of your session, RedBeam will show you what's left remaining unfound, what you have that's missing. RedBeam also allows you to check out and check in assets between employees or people throughout your organization. You can see a full audit trail of history of who had what in the past and who has what currently and what might be overdue. Throughout the videos that you'll be watching in this series, you'll see the full view of RedBeam as well as the mobile view of RedBeam. This is the full view that you can access on a laptop, a desktop, or a tablet. This is the mobile view that you can access through a smartphone or a dedicated barcode scanner. If you have any questions at all, please reach out to our team. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to getting in touch.